It's just given Ariel, period, Disney Channel. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Here you go. Okay. As you can tell by the description in the video, we are going to be doing a little chit chat. Get ready with me while I install this 22-inch HD kinky lace wig from Ilikehair. And as you can see, the baby hairs is baby hairing. It's giving sweated out, but not really sweated out. So if you guys are interested to see how I installed this doing a glueless method, keep watching. I already put oil in my hair, like to oil my braids down so they won't be dry underneath the unit. I'm gonna go in with this Got to Be Glued mini spray. I do have the big bottle, however this is like more convenient, so I'm gonna go not directly like on my headline. As you can see, my baby hairs is like, so I'm gonna push those back. I already went ahead and cut the ear hole out. So yeah, we're just gonna go and spray, and once that dries up, then we're gonna cut it. Look at my eyebrow. Okay, so just gonna go ahead. Now I'm doing this without a mirror, so just bear with me. So I am going to be doing this without glue, so I don't know if you want to call this a glueless method or whatever you want to call it, but yeah. So while we let this dry, let's get into the topic, this eyebrow is killing me, of how I bought my first luxury vehicle. So let's get it off with, when I was 18 years old, you know, when you turn 18 you get established credit. At that time I didn't have established credit, so I literally went to every store and got a credit card. I'm talking Victoria's Secret, Macy's, Lord & Taylor, Home Goods, Marshalls. Your girl was decked out with like 7 different credit cards all at once, not knowing I was maxing them out. Every time I went to the store, boom, purchase, get points. Okay, purchase, get points. Especially Victoria's Secret. Pink will get you if you're like young and don't know how to, you know, like deal with credit. So I maxed all of those out. Not ashamed of it because I didn't know. Maxed all of them out, and then you have what is called a monthly payment. So I was not making the monthly payments. Mind you, this is me almost getting out of college, really didn't have a job, only a summer like camp job or whatever, absolutely broke, so I wasn't able to make the payment. So now what I know from back then is, if you can't make the monthly payments, you can call them, set up a payment arrangement, or get it for like pay it on a different date, like a longer date rather than like the first week of the month. So once I went ahead and didn't pay those, they were calling me like crazy. Mind you, 7 different credit companies. I wasn't answering. You know why? Because I was living my best life, going to the beach, about to graduate college, whatnot, not knowing that it would affect me in the long run, especially, you know, like trying to get things. Next, so I got my hands in the blow dryer. Put it on hot. I got my scissors, and I'm gonna go ahead off camera and cut this because I need to use a mirror and I don't have a mirror in front of me. So yeah, be right back. This is how the wig looks, and as you can see, it's all about texture. Hunty texture, super long, and you can see the kinky edges that I was talking to you about. This wig is pre-plucked, and I love that for me because I don't pluck wigs. I just give it to someone to customize, but super cute. It looks like the knots are kind of like bleach, but I'm gonna go ahead around my headline and actually you know, put concealer on it so that it matches. So yeah, this is the wig. Super cute. Wig is on. I went ahead and applied the concealer, so you can see it's giving very much scalp realistic. Let me get my comb so you guys can see. This is the kinky edges right here. Super, super nice. And actually they're soft, which I love that. And this side is the same as well. I went ahead and slicked down the lace and put on the Ilikehair band, which is absolutely super duper comfortable. I love it. It's not tight and I feel like it's not gonna give me a mark on my head. So I have the straighteners and the hot comb like heating up or whatever, so I can go ahead flatten this baby. It's giving. Wait, let me stand up. Hold on. Stand up so you guys can see. Okay, it's giving body summer wig. Okay, now like I was saying before, me and my husband, we joined the group called Wealth Gems, and the creator is one of his chiefs from Navy boot camp. He is in the Navy. So I remember him telling me, hey, like this guy, he knows so much about credit, this, that, and third, and just telling me like a little bit about him and his wife's lifestyle. So I was super interested because I'm just like, I want to get my luxury car, I want to get a house, I want to start a business, I want to do all of those things, but you can't do it without credit. And it's like what Jay-Z say, what's more important? Credit. Okay, once we joined the group, I think it was like a little less than $100 a month. We were basically put into a portal system where they help you send out dispute letters, they help you with your goals, they help you stay on track with your credit score. So if it jumps, you'll get an alert. If your dispute got approved, or if they need more information like address changes, things like that, you'll get that, and it's all in one place, so you won't have to hop from website to website. And basically what these credit specialists help you with is just, you know, like they'll give you 3-month goal, 6-month goal, 12-month goal, 9-month goal, things like that, which you would want to accomplish. So from that's when I was like, okay, I want my luxury car, so I have to do what I have to do. So we started to knock out collections on my credit report, certain disputes. I know things on my credit report was coming up 7 years. Once it's 7 years, it goes off your credit report. So we started with those. Then I went and got a secured card. With the secured card, I have Navy Federal, so I had to put $200 down, basically like as a security deposit that you eventually get back, but they don't tell you when you get it back. So I still haven't gotten it back, but at least I got my car with the help of it. So I went ahead and got that. And once I went to the dealership, I was telling them I was interested in a truck, and I wound up getting the Lexus RX 350. However, I did not love that car the first time I see it. I know it's so funny. They're like, oh, do you want to drive it, test drive it? I'm like, no, I don't want to test drive it. I don't believe in test driving cars because I don't want to hit nobody's car. I cannot back up straight, and my man will attest to that. Your girl cannot back up straight. It's like, who taught you how to drive? But you know how to drive, right? So the Lexus actually wasn't my first official car that I wanted. I wanted to get a Porsche. So me and my mom, we went to the Porsche dealership, and basically they had no cars in inventory, so I was over it at that point. So we went back to Lexus, looked at the same exact car, I got in it and test drove, and I was like, okay, yeah, this is the one, this is the one I love. So since I already went ahead and parted it, as you can see, I have my handy dandy straightener, and we're just gonna go in and just grab this part, straighten it. Ooh, okay, scalp. Okay. Okay. Okay, scalp. Okay. It's giving what? Real. I could put it half up, half down, but let me cut the lace. This is like super duper exciting. Can't wait to like officially part it. Is given coming out of my real scalp. Just gonna go ahead and section these off by 4. So you cut. Now when I cut, I like to do like a zigzag motion and not cut too much off, just in case like the headline starts receding. But yeah. So I know it was given ashy, so I just went in with this Fantasia spritz. You could get it at any beauty supply store, and it helps with laying the lace down. As you can see, it's giving hunting. I love this HD lace. Okay, I'm a fan. I'm a fan. And now I want you guys to actually see the kinky edges. I'm not gonna do anything to them, but this is how they look. And if I was to like, boo. Okay, I'm not gonna lay them though. So these are the kinky edges. This slowly combing out, and they are giving realistic baby hairs. Okay guys, so this is the final look. As you can see, the baby hair is laid, and no, this is not mine. This is actually part of the unit, and I think this wig would definitely be perfect for the girlies that's going away this summer, whether it's to like Jamaica, Puerto Rico, Bali, Tulum, Aruba, anywhere that's hot. This is giving very much texture, and it's giving your real hair. So you know how we like to go on vacation with either braids, the curly wig, or the straight wig. You can definitely add this to your collection, switch it up. I use the glueless method, so that's perfect because we all know it'd be like 100 or more degrees over there. Nobody has time for their wig to be slicking back. Ladies, you can take this off at night, wake up in the morning, put it right back on using the method I showed you earlier, and you're good to go. Again, this is the Ilikehair 22-inch kinky HD lace wig. Give you guys a close-up again. Then I want to show you how long it is. So it's coming below my boobs, almost on my waistline, and then when I slick it down, it's giving you the length that you want. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to use my code, which will be linked down below. It's Ming25 for you to get your little coins off, ladies. We all want a discount, right? So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next video.